front of the Nescafe. I wish I could have gotten your coffee, but it's closed, unfortunately. Leaving the hospitalities aside, I want to ask you some questions. And first of all, you have to introduce yourself to the club.
Okay, so myself Abhijit Bhushan Patnaik, and I'm the video production lead of MUSA, as you know, great club of OUPR.
Yes, I agree there.
So that's my introduction.
What's your director's vision when the script first lands in your hands? Be honest. Do you immediately see a cinematic masterpiece or a chaotic blooper reel?
Now, I actually, what I do is that when I read a script, and also if I'm the actor, still I think like a director. I like to give inputs to the director, but if there is someone else directing that, I don't try to interfere his vision of direction. But I like to give my inputs because I feel like it's it's like your own. How can we make that best out of everything that I have? So yeah, that's what I believe.
So you immediately see a cinematic masterpiece
Yep.
and you try to make it.
I believe in what do we say that visualizing.
Okay.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Yes, mentioned that. I believe in that a lot. And when I read something, I visualize it. For example, like let's say, don't think of an elephant. You're thinking of an elephant, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, since we all have watched movies, I'm going to ask you a question that is related to it. What's your go-to vibe? Oppenheimer level drama, Barbie core colors, or Wednesday Addams black and white mood?
Honestly speaking, I'm a Hollywood guy. I love Bollywood. I've watched a few Hollywood films, but I think the movies that I go back to is Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan films, Salman Khan films, 90s, all those magic that we have seen. That's what I believe. That's what I love.
That is a golden era of romance and
Yeah.
drama.
So I've grew up watching that films. In comedies, I love Akshay Kumar, and when it comes to action, we love different action stars. And I'm a hardcore Bollywood guy. So yeah,
Dil se Indian.
full set.
Okay. But yeah, here's the third question. If you could remake a recent viral video or meme in a cinematic way, which one would it be?
Recent, if you say, I love the series Bats of Hollywood. So if I ever get a chance to be a part of it or direct kind of something like that, then I'll love to do it.
Bats of OUTR.
Bats of OUTR.
Or Bads of Amusa.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's a very,
We will make it.
that's a great idea. Actually, we can work on it.
Yeah.
Let's put the pitch.
But yeah, what's the happiest moment and what's the moment where you felt like just the world should end?
College.
In college, in
Amusa.
outside college,
Okay,
outside.
I'll give you an example of Amusa. Okay.
Okay.
The best moment I think it was on Ecstasy Day 1 when we did that, and you are the hero and as the father, and it was a great. I've counted 155 people that day said me that what a performance. In fact, I have not said this to anyone, but a person from any some ads or something. He was also present on that day, and he invited me for an ad. Okay, for something I don't know, but he said that we need a character like you. Unfortunately, our handsome exams were near, so I couldn't go. And the bad thing, that in my college was again Ecstasy Day 2, and we are unable to perform that.
Yeah, that Odia wala.
So, but overall it was a great.
It was a hit. But yeah, we have noticed that the spontaneity you bring to the table is amazing. So now we have another twist for you. We are going to ask you some rapid fire questions. Are you ready for it?
Absolutely.
So the first question: 1 take or 100 takes?
If wanting.
What's your favorite sound effect? Dramatic zoom whoosh or sad rumble?
Dramatic push.
Which is more stressful? Losing footage or losing actors during lunch break?
Using actors.
Okay. Describe your video production journey in a single movie title.
It's just
It's just the beginning. It's a great title. Who's the biggest drama on set? The actors, the lighting, or the camera battery?
actors.
Actors.
Because the charm also the actors bring that. So I believe that the best.
The biggest. If your life was a trailer, what would the tagline be?
Pacha.
Pacha.
I want to be that, and I think something, I believe in that circus concept. That whenever I wake up in the morning, despite of knowing that I'm not the best, I'm not having the best body, not best looks, but still, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. So I work with that belief.